started from studying art in the United States. And that was actually the first moment that ignites the possible potential of me being as an artist. And it was so happy, it was so cheerful for my life. And that I decided that this is something that I like to do for my life forever. I haven't really expected. I haven't even thought about being a designer and maybe getting into the company like in Samsung, because it was a totally different kind of a field that I've never experienced before. However, I have noticed that there is an extremely high potential of our lives changes very rapidly through the technology. And I thought, well, why not? Why shouldn't I just participate in this exciting kind of changes in our society? And I like to be a part of it. And being a part of it, I had to do the decision that I work with at a large high-tech company like Samsung. Actually, I think it was very exciting. In terms of art, it is very meaningful and thoughtful, and it touches your feeling, your emotion. That's the very basic things about human being. But at the same time, when you're dealing with the design, with the technologies, it also gives you a great opportunity to enlighten your knowledges and your experience for helping people around the world. So these two things are not far away from each other. It's kind of the things that actually connects to each other very closely. So that was something very exciting moment that I have experienced and believed. Well, while I was in the Samsung, it was exciting. I learned a lot of things, but I have realized that it was just within small groups that I've been, working with. Why can't I just use, my experience and my knowledges to share with a lot of people around the world? And I think that's very important for me to be as an art educator instead of a designer itself within the company. So that was one of the moments that I decided I have to start my own school, and I have to travel around the country and the other countries to educate what I learned about the creativity and art and design. Well, it's actually started already now. Being as a creator, I think it's very important to share your experiences, your messages to around the world who needs some of this, my messages, just like in creativity. That's something that is a very good starting point. From now on, I like to share all those knowledges and experience from the 30 years. It is my destiny to deliver all my thoughts and the messages to the world through the camera lens. And that's something that I like to do. And, art is not really that hard. Design is not that complicated. Let's just take this, the wonderful things what we have, and you already have a creativity already. So don't be scared, and don't be afraid that you can actually do the creative things, such as an art, such as the design. Just follow me, then you will enjoy yourself with an art and with a design.